Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing looking 3D speedball design. Alright, without wasting much time, let us begin. So on the right you have here a picture that we're going to use to make this design. So I'm going to put the link in my description to be able to download it. Okay, so the first we're going to do is to grab the picture, go to your trace bitmap and select quick trace. So alright, once I've done that and it has been traced, so we're gonna go to ungroup all objects, select that, then just come out of the object and highlight the object again. So right now the object has been ungrouped and it has been traced too, so we can delete the parts which you do not need. So this is gone and this is gone, and now we are left with this part, or like the stuff we're gonna use. I'm just gonna keep the original design aside and bring this in place of the original design. Oh, something is missing, my bad. Okay, then I highlight it well. Alright, and this is gonna come here, just to go in a red background. Okay, so once we're done with this, we're gonna go to this center part of the rectangle, and the center part we're gonna select that, go to our bitmaps, select convert to bitmaps. So we should ensure there's a resolution of 300 dpi, so that is okay. So once I've done that, go to our effect and straight to texture and select plastic. And so we're going to make sure that, oh sorry, my bad, we gotta go back again. Alright, so we're going to go to our effects, go to blur and select Gaussian blur. Alright, so we just need to adjust it to reduce the pixel, and the 19.5 pixel should be enough for the blur. Okay, so once I've done that, we're going to hold our shift key because we're going to select other stuff, so we can just maybe start from afresh. So hold the shift key, select, hold the shift key, while holding it, keep on selecting. So just the objects I'm going to be selecting. Okay, alright, we're going to select this middle part. Okay, I'm also going to select the Gaussian blur that we just did, and we're going to select this stuff too. This smaller, more like rectangular shapes stuff, I'm going to select all of them. Okay, so just this. So remember, I'm just going to select those little triangle stuffs like surrounding the blood circle. I'm going to select the blood circle, not like blood blur, but like a blur. We're going to select the rectangular stuff around it together with the black stuff, black design that is resting on. And then we're going to go to our bitmap, convert to bitmap, select OK, and then go to our effects, to texture, and select plastic. Alright, let's see. So this looks good. So you can adjust the depth and the smoothness on how you want it, but the depth of 35 points and smoothness of 34 points should be enough, so you can adjust it to your own liking. I'm gonna press OK. And alright, as you can see, the design looks exactly like the original design which I made. So if you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.